10:40 a.m. on this Monday morning, June 1st, 2026, still under heavily overcast skies. But as we dim down this lighting, spin around and look up here, yes, indeed, we now have the appearance of those great ringed colorations around the light. I should have waited just a little bit longer. They're not real vibrant in coloration, but they have made their, well, let's just say full appearance. I could be down ground level and getting just that much more, I imagine. But we also have, let's go ahead and try to get up kind of tight right in here, and you might be able to see a trail within all this right up in here. We do have more evidences of past activities back in here through another past streamer. If we can see that, I cannot. So pardon the quality of this recording. Once again, we will have to readjust our focus. Oh boy, sounds like, yeah, chickens are on their way. Okay, so, well, we do have quite the formation. Yeah, we could probably see those trails running through there. But this is just, that much more of what I was speaking about earlier. And if the conditions were just a little bit more, what is the proper descriptive word I want to use? Well, let's just say if the conditions were just a slight bit different, there would more likely be strange sightings within all of this, okay? If there isn't already, I don't know. Well, chickens are cackling away. But this is so huge that, of course, this camera is not capable of picking up the whole circumference. And those are coming on a little bit stronger up in here. But we can, yeah, there's more becoming visible as all this is starting to thin out, allowing the light to come through just that much stronger. Wow. And something, yeah, I might as well make mention of this while I'm thinking about it. Science dictates that, and this is coming through, space agencies and their exploration and research into the cosmos and all that, which they dictate that all the stars are pure white, okay? Which this thing has, as far as I'm concerned, has really become white in my lifetime in accordance to what I have observed in years that have since gone by. Basically, space is black and white. But then when you see some of these images that are taken from space, especially that of anything metallic in space that is reflecting this light, we get, of course, those rainbow style colorations, right? Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. It's kind of strange that you get those reflections off of metal in space. One common occurrence of these rainbow styled colorations come through water particles. Yeah, just more thoughts to confuse the mind, I guess. Okay, these are like slowly waning away as far as I'm concerned. Or maybe that's just my interest. But I've got, of course, uploading that is going on, and I have other things to get accomplished beyond just providing entertainment with this platform. Oh, and I can hear jet aircraft. Gee. Oh, that's sounding like it's right up overhead somewhere. Wow. Maybe this is coming on stronger. Whew. Yeah, definitely the sounds of jet aircraft. Yeah, I believe it's already gone on by. Yeah, definitely starting to clear out. A lot of traces of past activity here, and evidences thereof. And again, we shall refocus, drop down that lighting, do last observance of this. I could record just that much longer, but especially since I'm hearing the sounds of a small engine airplane. But again, that's off in the distance. Wow. Yeah, I think we're just going to just blast right into those so-called clear blue skies. And there's virtually no wind. Okay, there is. This is virtually a wind-free day so far. Very, very slight air currents, and it appears it is that way up overhead as well. So, think about that. How is it that the skies are clearing so dramatically, at such a quick pace, without there really being that noticeable of windy conditions, shall we say? Okay, once again, and for the last time, oh, it's getting louder out here. Yeah, I think it's brighter down low. And that was something that I noticed in one of my previous recordings, was the factor of what appeared to be a sundog in accordance to a set of partial rings that we were experiencing. And was that sundog or mock sun, what appeared to be as such, was not in the typical location of where one should have been, because they typically appear to the right, directly to the right or to the left of the sun. And this one was not. It was actually lower, I want to say lower right hand corner of the sun's location. So, yeah, a lot of strangeness that's been going on. And once again, as far as I'm concerned, we are not in the same location of space and time. And that is why we have these strange observations to the sun, to the moon, and a few other things. But anyways, I am going to end this and bid you adieu and a fond farewell until we meet again back here on this flip side of reality. So on that note, thank you ever so kindly for watching this morning's content. Take care. Have a great one. This is Skyways out.